Kanju wendia wa indo thoko-ini cia nja nĩ itugĩte kambuni cia guku bururi-ini iria cinyitĩte itemi harĩ gũkũria ũtonga wa bũrũri. Imwe cia kambuni iria ciĩkĩte wega harĩ ikũmbĩria wonjoria thoko-ini cia nja ni BAT Kenya, Finlays Limited, Afarama Limited na Jungle Nuts.
The secret behind today's achievement and behind today's award is human resource. And number two, it is important to employ IT in what we are doing. Today everything is technology.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanju ya wendia wa indo thoko-ini cia nja Just Bedi augĩte Kenya ĩrĩ na ũhoti wa kwĩrũgamĩrĩra kũhĩtũkĩra wendia wa indo cia nja ya bũrũri.
As we expand our export base, I think it's super important for us to also make sure that we expand our quality standards, because there's nothing worse than sending a product abroad to a third country and the guy opens that container and say, oh my God, what did I buy from Kenya? Because it's not that exporter whose name is going to get spoiled. It's not that individual company whose name is going to get spoiled. It's going to be Kenya. The brand Kenya is going to get spoiled.
We need to fashion our trade agreements in a manner that creates access for our exporters to access markets. And on this particular front, we made a deliberate decision with the president that we must open the Chinese market. We have also worked with other African countries on the continental free trade area.
Kambuni ici itugitwo hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩa kwarĩrĩria mĩtaratara ya kũgacĩrithia wonjorithia thoko-ini cia nja igĩtabanĩrio nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC kũrĩa mabũrũri marĩa marĩ rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya COMESA mekinyĩtie. Wanjirũ Meta, Inooro TV.